An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory, processors, and all of its software and hardware. In this video, we will be presenting to you the different hacking methods and tools to test how strong the security of operating system are. The OS X keychain access saves the password of the user to allow users to access application without entering their password. Keychain passwords are encrypted many times using different keys. Some of it are keys stored in the same file. Obtaining the master key allows us to obtain the password, and this key is stored in the memory heap in an 8-byte size field with a hexadecimal value 18 and a pointer pointing to the master key. We can search for the master key by finding occurrence of hex value 18 and attempt to decrypt using this key. Next, we will exploit Windows XP with firewall turned off. Even though Microsoft has announced that it will no longer support Windows XP, millions of business-critical systems are still using it. One such example is the ATM. As you can see, after typing all the necessary commands, we are able to exploit the target system successfully. Now, we will migrate to other service to prevent user from terminating the connection. Firstly, we will type in the exploit we are using. Next, we will set the remote host IP address followed by the listener host IP address. We will then set the payload, which is a meter-preter shell used to run on the target machine. Finally, we will exploit the system. After the meter-preter shell appears, we can then choose a service to migrate or impose as. Enter migrate with the process ID and migration is complete. After exploitation, we are able to control the target machine. One example is that we are able to upload files which may contain malicious code. As you can see, the text file is uploaded to the victim's desktop. Windows uses firewall to block and filter the connection between your computer and the outside world. The goal of firewall is to improve the security of the system by blocking any malicious connection attempt. When firewall is turned on, you will realize that we are not able to exploit the system unlike what you have seen earlier. Windows implementation of no execute is called Data Execution Prevention, also known as DEP. When it is turned on, any program which attempts to execute instructions on the non-executable area will be shut down by DEP. When the mode is switched to always off, DEP will be disabled across the entire system, making it vulnerable to attacks. As you can see, we are able to exploit the system and read a file stored in the target machine. Now, when we switch the DEP mode to always on, DEP will be enabled across the entire system and no application is allowed to be exempted. Hence, we are not able to exploit the system. As you can see, this is because the status of the server service is being shut down by DEP. Finally, we will show you how an unsorted password hash can actually be unsecure. Metasploit has the ability to steal hash password by performing the command #dump. After obtaining the hash password, we can easily decrypt it using password recovery tools such as Hashcat or Hashsuite. Thank you.